Alright, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mickey Straps, and we back again with another video on FIREARMS. So check it out. We got this PSA Dagger right here, and this thing is another nice gun.
It's another DCO beat, okay.
It is a budget gun. So far I have about 50 rounds through it, and no malfunctions, nothing major, nothing minor either. I ain't had no problems with it so far. Now, I do have my stream light on there, TLR1 stream light, as y'all can see. This thing, it is clear. Don't have a mag in there also. But this thing runs smooth. I like it. The trigger, you got that little mush right there. But once you hit that wall, apply, broke. Woo, that shit is, woo, that shit's trash. But, I mean, good thing about these, I also like, is they are Glock clones. So, most Gen 3 Glock parts will go with this gun. You can upgrade the triggers, you can upgrade the slide, you can upgrade the sights, you can upgrade the release, you can upgrade the mag release, you can I was like, oh, say less. It's like a Lego, bro, and that's why I fuck with it so much. It's pretty cool. Now they have different varieties of these motherfuckers that you can buy off on them. They got threaded barrels, fluted barrels, shit, everything, and they pretty good. Like they literally they have the price of a Glock. So like, just for this basic one right here that I have, it's $2.99 after taxes and everything, shipping and transfer fee. I pay like $3.58, somewhere in that range. And then what I do want to say is they come with these P-Mags, and I mean, the P-Mags work. Don't get me wrong. These P-Mags, they actually do run good. I have ran rounds through with the P-Mags when I first got it also. So these actually do work. I got range ammo in them right now. So they actually do work. It's just, I don't like the look of that. That's just not me, personally. Oh my God. So like I said, as it is compatible with everything Glock, 15 flush OEM Glock mag, just looks so much better to me. I'm actually ordering a different slide for this gun. I wanted to get where I can get the red dot, and I might get a threaded barrel. I don't know yet. I am running these critical defense rounds, hollow points, critical hollow point rounds. Alright, so yeah, this thing is compatible with damn near every type of Glock part that you can find. Gen 3s, it seems to be what works for this firearm. So you can throw your 33 round in there if you want to get busy, you know.
What do you mean by that?
At the range. I'm running a 15 flush OEM Glock mag, 9mm with a, you see it. It's a PSA Dagger, man. This thing is a nice gun. It is half the price of a Glock, but it is exactly that, a Glock only. I want to hit the range this weekend, get more rounds through it, and test that reliability. But as of right now, everything else Man, this thing's smooth, man. For the price, half the price of a Glock. So yeah, man, point of the story is, as of right now, I'm a fan of it. I'm liking it. It's cheap. I actually want to do more modifications to it and see how far I can take it, man. So y'all join me in that process. Hit the like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Hit the like, drop a comment, and subscribe to your boy, man. Follow him. I mean, why not, man? We dropping consistent content for y'all boys, man.
Yeah, baby.